Good afternoon, guys. I'm Kino Elbasay from BT 502 in STI Caloocan. I'm doing my task performance in information assurance and security. So let's get started. Encrypt the following plaintext based on the given technique. There are examples. There are one, two, three kinds en- of how to encrypt, and this is keyword cipher, Quasar cipher, and Giovanni cipher method. I give this example assurance and code it into keyword cipher like MQQU Assurance is equals to MQQU in keyword cipher. And in Quasar cipher, assurance is equals to DVVXUDQFH. And in Giovanni cipher method, assurance is equals to YNNQL YGMP. And this is the transposition cipher technique. Assurance is equals to ASRNESUAC. So this is the cryptography. This is what you call the cryptography. And that's it. Thank you for watching, guys. Hope to see you soon, and God bless. Always take care. Bye.